Hi everyone. Uh, Hello there, and let's start a new video. This time we are going to answer few important and repeated questions from environmental education, which is a subject for the second semester B.Ed. We'll cater to the first 5 questions, and we'll just try to do more questions in coming videos. So let's start. The first question that we have is, which has been repeated multiple times, is justify Earth is a miracle planet. So basically, the answer is supposed to justify how Earth is a different planet altogether in comparison with the other planets or celestial bodies, wherein the basic thing is we have to see why, since there is life on Earth and Earth sustains life, so that makes us different than a miracle planet. We have to write mostly about the temperature and atmosphere of the Earth, the ozone layer, the atmospheric composition, that is the percentage of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, the vast variety of flora, that is the vegetables and the plants and the forest, and fauna, which is the animals and the beings, and which all form a vital balance on ecological balance on the earth, and the biotic and abiotic content of this, and natural resources, rivers, forest, livestock, agriculture, everything has to be answered, put into an answer for this question. Basically, we are trying to justify that these are the reasons that makes Earth a miracle planet. So you can go through this question and pick at least 5 to 6 points from this and write your answer for 5 marks. Let's go to the second question. Explain the biotic and abiotic components of environment. Again, this is repeated multiple times. So basically, the question is, what are biotic and abiotic components? So biotic is the components are basically all the classification of all the living organisms that come under are called biotic components. That is from the single-celled organisms to complex, huge sized, organisms such as humans or animals, something like that. Whereas the abiotic components are the non-living matter of Earth, such as the atmosphere, the terrains, mountains, water, river, everything comes under the abiotic components. So basically, you just go through this answer to, uh, take a high level note of this answer, and you can answer this question. Let's go to the next question. What are write the principles of environmental education? So what are the principles of education? So basically, written more points over here. Since this is a 5-point answer, you can select at least 6 to 7, or basically 5 to 6 important points to answer this. So the small low-hanging ones are the environment education to focus on current and potential environment situation, promote values and necessity for local, national, and international cooperation in prevention of social environmental problems, enables learners to discover symptoms and real and potential causes of environment problems, mental education to be interdisciplinary in its approach, enhance the position of learners in making decisions and concerning the environment, and accept responsibilities. Go through the points, and whichever are easier, you can uh, remember and use the same. Going to the next question now. Write a note on ozone layer depletion. So ozone layer depletion, this is a very common question again. So just a little brief on the ozone layer and its rapid depletion due to various reasons. Ozone basically is a gas which is composite of 3 atoms of oxygen. It's also called as trioxygen or as an other name. So it is the protective layer that forms that protects the earth from the harmful UV radiations that come from the sun, and this is the reason that your atmosphere is habitable, and this protects us from harmful UV radiations. You can due to there are various reasons that are making depleting the ozone layers. Basically, the CFCs, the chlorofluorocarbons, is one of the basic polluters, and industrial pollutions, carbon emissions from home appliances as well as industries as a major cause for the depletion of ozone. We can come up with a simple diagram like this with CFC's emission through various sources, and then ozone layer depletion. So this, you take a look at the answer for more details, and go to the next answer question. Explain the scope of environmental education. So what exactly is the scope, and what does it contain? Why do we study environmental education? What is the scope of it? So environmental education is on multiple level scopes. Its study is important to or necessary to know, not only for children but also for everyone. So what does this do? It actually creates awareness among people to know about renewable, non-renewable resources of the region. There are many points added over here, so at least 5 to 6 points are enough for a 5 marks question. You can pick at least whichever is easier to remember. Points such as it provides knowledge about the ecological systems and cause and effect relationship, or the study enables theoretical knowledge into practice and the multiple uses of environment, and study tries to identify, develop appropriate and indigenous eco-friendly skills and technologies to various environment issues, etc. Let's go to these questions. I didn't want to have voiceover for these answers, but just at times it's good to have a little high level direction rather than some random and repeated monotonous music that I keep posting. So we'll post the next 5 questions soon. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.